Glad so many of you have joined us today to celebrate the installation of the first holder of the Moraine Chair and those who so generously made this possible. Former trustees Susan Wykoff Pohl, class of 1980, and John Pohl, class of 1978. Susan and John, as we all know, believe deeply in the importance of educating a new generation of Arctic and Alpine climate scientists.
My dream is that students will come to Dickinson specifically for the Arctic and Alpine studies and fieldwork opportunities, and that Dickinson students will be leading the efforts in finding solutions to issues that are affecting the people and the environment of the Alpine and high Arctic regions.
When we have conversations about what makes Dickinson distinctive, global, sustainable, interdisciplinary, active, and the Moraine Chair touches all the bases. It's with, I hope, Ben-like enthusiasm that I introduce our incumbent, Ben Edwards.
I wanted to highlight some of the programs just briefly, and we have some students here that have been on either first-year seminars where we talked about the Arctic and the Antarctic. We've had about 11 plus trips during the time that John and Susan have started to sponsor what we do at Dickinson. By my count, it's more than 60 students that we've taken into Arctic environments for various things, class-related trips, research trips. And so through John and Susan, we have a lot of other people now that understand why the Arctic is so inspirational, and hopefully we will continue to be able to carry on that tradition to inspire you guys to go up north.